Hi friends, Anne here from the Columbia Falls Library. I miss you guys. I miss you so much that I'm making a little library video to say hi. I just got home from visiting my daughter in Texas and it was a great visit. On our drive home, my husband and I drove straight home and we've been here ever since. We didn't even stop at a grocery store. So when I went to the freezer to look what we had, I found these! Before we left for Texas, I froze 80 water balloons with little prizes in them. And I was hoping to see you all again and give them to you to keep. I will soon, but I thought this is just something that you could also do at home while we're waiting to see each other again in person. So what you'd need is a balloon and some kind of small toy and an eyedropper or a pipette. I found this eyedropper in my medicine cabinet. You might be able to find something like that. At the library we use pipettes very often, and the reason being that the fine motor skills that children use when they're using the pipette is similar to what they'll use when they're writing. So for kids, that means melting out your toy is going to be great practice for writing someday. So to do this at home, grown-up is going to put the toy in the balloon, fill it up with water, tie it off, put it in the freezer. And then the grown-up will also, once it's frozen, have to use some scissors to cut off the end of the balloon. And then you'll see the toy frozen in a little ice egg. And then if you've never, then you use the pipette to melt out the toy. And if you've never used a pipette before, this is how you use it. You're going to squeeze the end of it, the bulb, and put it into the cup of water. I usually use warm water for this, and let go. And then pick it up very carefully without squeezing it, and it'll have picked up some water. And then you bring it over to your toy, and you squeeze the bulb right over the toy. And you do this again and again and again. And eventually, you'll melt out, you'll hatch your little toy. So, I hope you get a chance to give this a try. If not at home, then we'll do it again at the library sometime soon. Until then, subscribe to our library's YouTube channel and keep reading at home. Bye!